Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about energetic blocking agents. These are the drugs which block the response to endogenous or exogenous circulating epinephrine. It can also block the response to adrenergic nerve stimulation or prevent the release of adrenergic transmitter substance like adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, at sympathetic nerve endings. So these are known as adrenergic blocking agents. There are different terms like antisympathetic or adenolytics, also known as adrenergic blocking drugs. These are mainly classified into two types, that is alpha 1 blocker or beta receptor blockers. First one is alpha adrenergic blocking agent. In alpha blocking agent, first drug is phenoxybenzamine hydrochlorides. The drugs which block the action of sympathomimetics agents arising through beta receptor. Some drugs act by competitive और some act by नॉन कॉम्पिटिटिव्स. वो ड्रग्स जो सिंपैथेटिक एजेंट्स के एक्शन को ब्लॉक करती हैं, जो कि अल्फा रिसेप्टर से बन रहे हैं, अराइज थ्रू अल्फा रिसेप्टर, उनको ब्लॉक करती हैं. दीज आर नोन एज अल्फा blocking agent. In phenoxybenzamine, that is benzyl 2-chloroethyl 1-methyl 2-phenoxyethylamine hydrochlorides. Next, properties. In properties, it's a white crystalline powder soluble in water, alcohol, also act by competitive mechanism. It increase or rise the peripheral blood flow, so useful in peripheral disease like Raynaud's disease. It's used in the form of tablet or capsule. Usual dose 10 to 20 mg according to the need of patient requirements. Also to control hypertension, which can caused by pheochromocytoma. मीन्स जो हाइपरटेंशन क्रोमोसाइटोमा की वजह से बीपी राइज हुआ है, उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए ये ड्रग यूज़ होती है. फिनटोल अमीन. फिनटोल अमीन हाइड्रोक्लोराइड क्या है? इसमें आ जाता है 3N2 अमिडाजोलिन 2 आइल मिथाइल पैराटूलो डिनोफिनोल हाइड्रोक्लोराइड्स. इट्स ए वाइट ग्रेइश पाउडर, ऑर्डरलेस, springly or less soluble in water and alcohol, that is slightly acidic. It's mainly used to control hypertension. Also used as a stable salt of phentolamine with methane sulfonic acid. Is used parentally in diagnosis or treatment of pheochromocytoma. Its salt is used mainly in diagnosis or treatment of pheochromocytoma. So usual dose is 5 to 10 mg. नेक्स्ट टोलाजोलिन. इन टोलाजोलिन में क्या है? 2 बेंजाइल 2 अमिडाजोलिन, 2 पोजीशन पे बेंजाइल 2 पे अमिडाजोलिन हाइड्रोक्लोराइड्स. इट्स क्रीमिश पाउडर, ऑर्डरलेस, freely soluble in water and alcohol or acidic in nature. It's mainly used for peripheral vascular disease or used in the form of tablet or injection. Usual dose इसकी है 25 to 75. Mainly used in Raynaud disease or acrocyanosis. Next, thymoxamine hydrochloride. थाइमोक्सामीन में क्या है? 4,2-dimethylamino ethoxy 5-isopropyl 2-methyl phenyl acetate hydrochloride. It's a white crystalline powder soluble in water and alcohol, acidic in nature, or protect in airtight container or protect from light. Mainly used to control hypertension when BP rise, that can be used. It can also act on peripheral vasodilator. एक्ट एज ए पेरिफेरल वेजोडाइलेटर, रिलैक्स करता है मसल्स को, पेरिफेरल को, थ्रू ए अल्फा एड्रीनो रिसेप्टर ब्लॉकिंग मैकेनिज्म. सो कैन आल्सो यूज फॉर डायग्नोस पर्पस इन pheochromocytoma. Next, argot. Argot is a crude drugs mainly used in hypertension, that can mainly classified into two parts, that is water insoluble polypeptide groups which accept adrenergic blocking agent. Next is water soluble, which has strong stimulating action on smooth muscles of uterus, so as a exotic use mainly These are the drugs like argotamine, dihydroargotamine that can use as an anti-energics drug or used as a tablets or parenterals. Next, beta adrenergic. Beta adrenergics mainly used in hypertension or in cardiac arrhythmia. There are different drugs like propranolol, atenolols are basically used in hypertension or in cardiac arrhythmia, angina pectoris. First one is propranolol. Propranolol 2-hydroxy 3,1-naphthyloxypropyl isopropyl ammonium chloride 1-isopropyl amino 3,1-naphthyloxypropane 2-ol hydrochloride. Next properties, it's a white crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water and alcohol, also soluble or less soluble in chloroform or non-polar solvents. It can used as a tablets or injection, usual dose 20 to 2000 mg daily. It can mainly act on beta adrenoreceptor blocking agent, mainly used in the treatment of angina pectoris or cardiac arrhythmia. Next is oxyprenolol, that is 1,2-allyloxyphenoxy 3-isopropyl aminopropane 2-ol hydrochlorides. It's a creamish colored crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water and alcohol, also used in the form of tablet. Next is prenylamine lactate. इसमें है 2-benzyl hydryl ethyl alpha methyl phenylthyl amine lactate. It's a white crystalline powder, less soluble in water but soluble in alcohol. Usual dose 180 to 300 mg, mainly used in angina pectoris. Next एटिनोलॉल. एटिनोल में क्या है 4-2-hydroxy 4-2-hydroxy 3-isopropyl aminopropoxy phenyl acetamide. It's also used in cardiac arrhythmia. Next is debris isoquinone sulfate, that is 1,2,3. फर्स्ट 4 पोजीशन पे है टेट्राहाइड्रो आइसोक्यूनोलिन 2-carboxy amidine sulfate. It's a white odorless powder, mainly soluble in water, also administered in the form of tablets. It can act as a adrenergic neuroblocking agent. Next is timolol. Timolol में क्या है, that is white powder soluble in water, non-selective beta blocker, also used in ophthalmic as a eye drops in ocular hypertension. नेक्स्ट लेबिटोलॉल. लेबिटोलॉल है वाइट ग्रैनुलर पाउडर, इनसॉल्युबल इन क्लोरोफॉर्म, also given or administered in the form of injection or tablet to control hypertension. It has two property, beta or alpha adreno blocking action. Next, ganglion blocking drugs. Ganglioning means ki the ganglia, autonomic ganglia, that can be stimulated or depressed by various different compounds. So the drugs which block or prevent the impulse through the autonomic ganglia, जो block or prevent the impulse through the ganglia, these are known as ganglioning blocking agents. जो impulse through autonomic ganglia ट्रांसमिट हो रही है, उनको ब्लॉक कर रही हैं जो ड्रग्स, उसको बोलते हैं गैंग्लियोनिक ब्लॉकिंग एजेंट्स. सो द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इम्पल्स अक्रॉस द गैंग्लियोनिक सिनेप्स, that is mediated by neurotransmitter acetylcholine. So the compounds which block the electric events in ganglionic show both sympathetic or parasympathetic antagonist activity or nerve impulse are carried action through polarization or depolarization process. So the drugs which can block the ganglia or ganglionic blocking drugs, these are mainly classified into different parts according to their mechanisms, like depolarizing type of blocking agent, non-depolarizing, or act by different non-competitive or competitive types. In non-depolarizing drugs, for example tetraethyl ammonium salt, hexamethonium, mecmylamine. Non-depolarizing or non-competitive like chloroondamine or trimethonium methosulfate. So their therapeutic use mainly that can control hypertension when BP rise, ganglionic blocking drugs used in peripheral vascular disease that can be used. So basically drugs used, that is mecamylamine hydrochloride. इसमें है मिथाइल 2,3,3 ट्राईमिथाइल बाईसाइक्लो 2,2,1 हेप्टा 2 xylamine hydrochlorides. That is a odorless powder, bitter taste, freely soluble in water and chloroform, that can autoclave or mainly sterilized by autoclave, that are mainly absorbed and smoothly from gastric tract, that has a longer duration of action, mainly used in the treatment of hypertension. Initial dose 2.5 mg or maintain up to 7.5 mg twice a day. It causes different side effects like dryness of mouth, urinary retention, constipation, visual disturbance, etc. Next is पेंटोलिनियम टार्ट्रेट्स. इसमें है 1 पेंटामिथाइलिन बिस 1 मिथाइल pyroldinium tartrates. It's a white creamy colored powder, tasteless, freely soluble in water but less soluble in alcohol and ether. That is acidic in nature, mainly used in the treatment of moderate hypertension, also to diagnose peripheral vascular disease. The usual or standard dose is 20 mg orally. Next is trimethoprim camsylate. That is a white crystalline powder, bitter taste, soluble in water and alcohol but insoluble in ether. So IV dose is given. Usual dose 200 microgram to 500 per minute from a mixture of 500 in 500 ml, 5% dextrose injection. It's an antihypertensive drug. Thank you.